Official, no dirty noises now. You're on camera. Official's first big fish has nearly pulled him into the fucking leg. Oh, calm down, calm down. Hold on, hold on. Drag your rod to the side, please. Keep the tension, keep the tension. When he going, let him go. Reel him in slowly. It's been on for... Oh, that's a massive fish. Have you seen the size of that? Look at the size of it. Slowly. Here, let me just get them up here. Yeah, if he's pulling, then pull line. Yeah, bring him in slowly. Right, lift your rod back towards you. There he is. Nice one. Let me just net him for you. Come on. Let him go, he's pulling line. Strong fish, isn't it? Reel him in. Reel him, hold on, line back. Ian, well done. You got that line on there. Okay. Line, mate. Put the rod back. Back on the ground. Let's have a look at him. Whoa. Put him on his side so we can see him. Oh, it's a big fish. Let's take a picture.
Seven.